Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
You are pregnant and you have lots of thoughts. You have got into the habit of overthinking. So now what does that lead to? Anxiety. A few months ago, you were thrilled to see that second line on your positive pregnancy test. And now you're feeling worried at every twist and turn that something might be wrong. It's a feeling you just can't shake and it's starting to affect your everyday life. Isn't pregnancy supposed to be a time of joy? If you suffer from anxiety, it can be complicated. Here's more about anxiety during pregnancy and some simple ways how you can cope up with it. With my experience, I've dealt so many pregnant women coming to me with anxiety. So this anxiety during pregnancy is basically because of all the stories that you have heard about postpartum depression, about the pains and all that. More than 1 in 10 pregnant women experience anxiety at some point. So you're not the only one. Causes of anxiety during pregnancy. After all, not everyone that makes you feel anxious is under your control. Hormonal changes during pregnancy may affect the chemicals in your brain. This can cause anxiety. Symptoms of anxiety during pregnancy. Some degree of worry is natural during pregnancy. After all, the process may be entirely new for you. You may have faced situations in the past like miscarriage that give you reason for concern. But if these worries stand to interfere with your everyday life, you may have anxiety. Symptoms of anxiety that you need to look into yourself. Feeling an uncontrollable sense of anxiousness. Worrying excessively about things, especially your health or the baby. Inability to concentrate. Feeling irritable or agitated. Having tense muscles and sleep poorly. Risk factors for anxiety during pregnancy. I say one of the commonest factors is your relatives and friends calling up and telling you ghost stories. While anyone can develop anxiety during pregnancy, there are certain risk factors that may actually contribute. Family history of anxiety or panic attacks, personal history of anxiety, panic attacks or depression, previous trauma, use of certain illegal drugs, and excess stress in everyday life. You're trying to manage too many things, trying to be a super mom. Remember, nobody is perfect and you can't be perfect and you can't keep everybody happy. Treatment for anxiety during pregnancy. Mild cases of anxiety usually don't require any specific treatment, though it's a good idea to mention your feelings to your doctor. Our family support in India takes us really forward on this journey. Tips for coping with anxiety during pregnancy. Certain important tips are very important. 1. Talk about it. If you're feeling very anxious during your pregnancy, it's important to tell someone, your partner, a close friend, a family member. Maybe they can offer help and support to you. Simply sharing your thoughts and feelings may be enough to keep them from taking over your everyday life. 2. Find a release. Engaging in activities that help to lower stress and anxiety may be a good option for you. Physical activity helps your body release endorphins, and these act like natural painkillers in your brain. Moving your body is one of the most recommended ways to manage stress. And certain activities like walking, running, yoga could be something that will really help you and release your endorphins and in turn make you happy. But if you don't like strolling, jogging or walking, let's think of something else. Do what you love. Anything that gets your body moving can help. Aerobic activities for as short as 5 minutes has been shown to benefit. You can even do Zumba. So anything which will basically move your body. But remember, before starting anything new, remember to consult your doctor. 3. Move your mind. You can try activities that help your body release endorphins without working up a sweat. Some activities are meditation, acupuncture, massage therapy, deep breathing exercises. The American Institute of Stress recommends deep abdominal breathing for 20 to 30 minutes per day to help with anxiety. Doing so will help provide more oxygen to your brain and stimulate your nervous system. 4. Rest up. It is important to make sure you're getting enough sleep. Though sleep may seem elusive during pregnancy, making it a priority may help significantly with your anxiety symptoms. Do you wake up often at night? Try sneaking a nap whenever you feel the urge. 5. Write about it. Sometimes you may not feel like talking. All those thoughts need some place to go. Try starting a journal where you can let out your feelings without any fear of judgment. 6. Empower yourself. Tocophobia is the fear of childbirth. If your anxiety is tied to childbirth itself, consider signing up for birth class. Learning about the different stages of labor, what your body does, and what to expect at each turn may help demystify the process. These classes often offer suggestions for dealing with pain. They'll also give you an opportunity to chat with other mothers who may be worried about similar things. 7. Ask your doctor. If your anxiety is affecting your daily life or having frequent panic attacks, call your doctor. The sooner you get help, the better it is. Beyond referral to a therapist, there may be medications you can take to ease your most severe symptoms. You should never feel embarrassed about sharing your thoughts and feelings, especially if they concern you. And your doctor is your best friend. Remember that. So without hesitation, get in touch with your doctor and deal with your anxiety. There's another simple solution that we have found in iMumz. We have an iMumz premium plan in which we give you individual attention. Please remember to call our counselors right now. The link is given in the description below. So with all these simple advices, I'm sure your anxiety will be taken care of. And in India, we have a very, very strong family support system. Get back to your family, get back to your friends, and they're all there for you, including iMumz. Thank you and namaste.